Okay, ito na ang ating, hindi ko alam kung miswa ito, miswa soup. Nalagay ko na itong patola. Yan. I love vegetables. Okay. Kain na tayo. Ang aking patola soup na may noodles. Anong klaseng noodles ba ito? Ito ba yung miswa? I just bought in the superstore. Yan. So, let's eat. Mga friends, my followers. This is for now. And for lunch for today is Friday. Have a good day today and just cook and cook and cook. Okay, okay. Thank you very much for watching. And I think masasarapan sila dito sa aking niluto. Kaya, kakain na. Antay lang na lumambot. At maghahanda na ng hapagkainan ngayon. Sharp 12 o'clock, we're going to eat. Yeah.